going on, guys? I'm going to be unboxing a couple of things for you guys. We got a knife. You're going to have to see what knife it is after I open it, but then I got a couple other things here to take a peek at too. So, all right. First things first, let's get into it. Oh my goodness, there's a lot of tape on here. I don't have the patience for this, dude. I don't need to cut all the freaking tape. Okay, we got some bubble wrap. What the crap is this? What the fuck? I did not buy this. What? I'm so confused. I did not buy this. This is so confusing. What the fuck is this then? LOL. So I ordered a ProTech Mordax, the button lock, and the dude sent me this Tucson by accident, which is funny because I had this in my watch list on eBay and it was not even from the same seller. So this is just a complete coincidence that he sent me this knife, and it's kind of cool, you know. It's 14C28N. It's made by Tucson Knives. We got the carbon fiber inlays with the titanium and the frame lock, and the action on this is kind of weird. It's like, and this hole is kind of weird too. I don't know what this is all about, but it's a unique knife. I like the pocket clip. It has a cool little skeleton hand on it, flipping you off, which is like super unique. But yeah, the action, this is not a flipper. You cannot flip it with that. It's just, I don't know what that is, what it's for, but it's literally just a front flipper, and the front flipping action is not that good. But overall though, it's a cool looking knife, you know. And it has this like jimping right here, so you can maybe thumb flick it. I'm not good at that, but you can do it, sorta. Not really a one-handed open knife. Maybe I just need to practice it, but there we go. Yeah, I just need to practice. Yeah, I was like, opened it, I was like, what the fuck? I didn't order this? What is this? And then I opened the other ones, and those are what I ordered, so I got those. Alright, well, yeah. So there's that. Tucson. I forgot the model. I'll put it in the... But yeah, the dude who sent me this by accident said I could keep it for free, and he'll send me the Mordax. So he's sending me that as well. So I will have that in the mail soon. But I guess I get this knife for free. So hell yeah. Alright. I'm not mad about it. Alright, and the other things that I was opening, we got... I already opened it. I was going to do it on video, but whatever. Got the AmeriGlow iron sights for my Glock 19 Gen 5. I'll do a separate video on installing these. Pretty cool. Pretty psyched about those. They're night sights. And then, where the heck is that other one? Oh my goodness. I'm losing everything, dude. Okay. And here's the last item that I ordered. Last piece of gear. We got a 1-finger knuckle. 1-finger tank, hand tank. I just got this on eBay. I don't even know who made it. But in the ads it said Strider Tough, and this is freaking sick, dude. I thought it was gonna be a little smaller, but it's got a good weight to it. It's a few ounces. I think it's just solid titanium or solid steel. It smells like steel. But yeah, and that's comfortable too. You got the nice little finger grooves right there. And that's comfortable in the hand. Like, there's just a piece of wood there. Ow, hit my knuckle, but yeah, that's solid, dude. I like this a lot, man. I would totally make a necklace out of this. Just let it hang. Dig the little smiley face. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. I'll be doing another unboxing when the Mordax gets here, I guess. And I'll be doing another video on how to install these iron sights on your Glock 19. So, alright guys, thanks for watching and peace.